Now in order to plot our graph, we have to go to the option for graph, and that corresponds with number 5. Either you can use this navigation keys or you can directly press the button 5. If I press 5, I will be there in the graph option. So the first graph that I have got was y is equal to negative 7x plus 3. You need to be mindful that we need to make our y the subject. So here we have got y is equal to negative 7x plus 3. So I'm going to press negative 7 and I want x. For getting x, I will press this button here. I will have negative 7x plus 3. Press exe, press draw, and that's what my function is. You can zoom in or zoom out as you like. For zooming, all you need to do is that press the button F2 and you will be prompted with these options: in, out, auto. I'm going to press auto and see, I got a very nice graph right in front of me. However, this is not always useful because sometimes you like to know what is your y-intercept. Like in this case, it is 3. We know that y is equal to mx plus 3. So my c is 3. I know that that's my y-intercept. However, if you like to use your calculator to find it out, you can use the zoom in option. So you use this toggle button where you want to zoom it in and press exe. You have to do few times and you will be able to see it. Now here there's another option that I really like, which is called window. So if you press this window option and you press what is going to be your minimum x value and maximum x values and what is going to be the scale, and based on it you will be able to get a lot of options. So let's change it. Let's say that I have got minimum negative 25, maximum positive 25, scale in. Instead of 10, let's make our scale to be 1. The dot is there. We have got y min, so I don't want this much. Let's put my y min as minus 50 and maximum y is 50. And the scale I'm going to press as 1, and that should do. Here I have got a nice graph. If I want to zoom in, I can go zoom in. I can press again F2, zoom in. For in, I have to press F3, press exe. And now if you would like to know the intercept, you can press shift G solve, and you want to know your y-intercept, press F4. It will give you your y-intercept. So when x is 0, y is 3. Let's say I would like to know what is the x-intercept. So in order to access this G solve, I need to press shift first. So I'll press, let's say I am here again in my graph, shift G solve. So F5 G solve, and I want to know what is my root, which is my x-intercept. So I will press F1 and I got my root. My root is, or the x-intercept is 0.42857 and so on, and y is equal to 0. So in this way you can find your x-intercept and y-intercept. In this video we also learned how you can use the option of zooming it in, out, and how you can fix the window settings. Thank you for watching.